Hello guys, so now I want to show you how to instantiate my object outside of my module. So this Python file is a module that can contain more classes. I defined only one class, but in theory this module can contain more classes. So for example, my flow of the program wants that my object must be instantiated in this module, because for clean my code, for have my code written in a clear way, and to have shorter file, I can call my class from another Python file. So in order to do that, I have to specify the from keyword, the module from which I want to import my class, which is this one, Audi underscore car. Then I have to specify the class to be imported, so import Audi car, which is in capital letter. This is a convention of the classes. Okay, so then I have to instantiate my object as usual, and then I have to execute my code. You see that the outcome is the same like if I called my class inside the same module. Okay, this is one way. The other way is simply to import the module. So import the module Audi car, not in capital letter, and then here, if you execute the code, you see that Audi car in capital letter is not defined. So in this case, since you don't explicit here the class, because before we explicit the class here, in this case we specified only the module. So here the way to make the same thing is this: specify the module dot the class, and you see that it works like before. And then you can call the method. As I said, you remember that each time that you want to call a method of a class, you have absolutely to instantiate the object, otherwise it doesn't work. Okay, so for example, if I make like this, you see that it does not work, because it says me that missing one required positional argument self, which is the object. So this is saying me that I have before to instantiate the object, which is the self, and then I can call whatever method I want. Okay, I can do it in another way. Let's see. Let's see this way if it works. Okay, you see that you can also do the same statement once. So you say module dot class, give the parameter to the init, and then after that call the method accelerate. It works the same. So there are several ways to instantiate an object and call the correspondent methods. Okay guys, so this is just for clarification. Thank you.